tea.
That's that phone.
What you said?
Get down. Ooh, your grandma gonna get you. Ooh, your grandma gonna get you. Saved your life, little PJ, little boy. Your granddaddy need to cut your hair, boy. All this big mess you made. Pillows everywhere, toys everywhere. My gosh. Goodness gracious, son. Matter of fact, get on your bike. Finish off what you getting on your bike. Had to reconstruct it. The teddy bear is kind of helping now. And then the table as well. Oh, yeah, you got it. Don't you supposed to be going like that? Yes.